Ladies and gentlemen, this one is a dandy. It's a bear snow cone with tequila and lime. So we pour some beer into our container. You want to use like a little baking pan or Pyrex dish. It doesn't have to be glass like that. So if you have a baking pan, that works fine. Then you want to add in some tequila. Go easy on the tequila, okay? Because you all love to overdo things. If you put in too much tequila, it's not gonna harden. So we put it in the freezer, take it out, and then you give it a little stir, okay? Somewhere in the middle, so she's stirring it up, okay? All right, and then she puts it back in the freezer to harden, all right? And now we got this nice, crunchy ice-like thingy, okay? These nice little ice flakes that we then scoop into our little snow cone cups. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Pat that bad boy on the head. Put it in a little short glass so it could stand up. Put a little lime slice on it, and then we come behind. Give this baby a squeeze. Stay tipsy. I love it. Later.